Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes, so how you can fix it on your iPhone. So first thing you need to try, just open the settings, just find your Apple ID, so it will be in the top of the list, just open it, and after you need to find option password and security, so just tap on it, and here you need to tap on change password. So just change your password, mostly it helps. And if you still have this error, so another thing you can also try is just go to the general, just find in the general reset, shutdown, just light to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your phone. Sometimes it can be caused by some app, so you just need to remove this app that caused this error. And if you still have this error, so you may wait for maybe 1 day and just try again. And if you still have this error, the latest way you can try is just make forced restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. And after, just release your finger, and after you need to see Apple logo, so it means that you successfully made forced restart. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.